everyone. Hope you're having a great day. It's Deb from Sew with Debee. Look at all these beautiful colors, and these are all strips that I have in a bucket. So what I've decided to do is come up with a new block idea. So what I'm going to do is take colorways that are similar. They don't have to be matchy-matchy, and strip piece them. Strip piecing is taking two and joining them together, and then I'll press the seams. And the idea is I want to be making 5-inch blocks from these, so I may end up with a burgundy here and then blending it over into a red. I'm not going to be too specific about it. I just want to have a lot of light color, bright, high contrast colors together. So once I've got a few blocks together, I'll show you what I'm up to. So I've come up with a pattern I think you're really going to like, and it is an excellent way to use up strips that you have. So what I did is I sewed together groups of light colors. So because this was heavy in the reds, I married it up with pinks and reds. And you want it to be at least 5 inches wide, because what you will be doing is taking this and trimming it down so it's 5 inches to marry up with a background that you like to make 2 up half square triangles. So what I did is as I said, I took this, I trimmed it to 5, and then I put right sides together. I'm using the wrong side of the fabric. I'm not really into the glitter right now. And then I drew the center corner to corner line and then stitched a scant 1/4 inch from each, trimmed it down, and then I ended up with a variety of blocks that look like this. So that would be a red example. See, there's 4 different fabrics in there. In the blues I have 3, and actually in the purples I have 2. So let me square these all up. I will be trimming these down to 4.5 inches, and in all you will need 60 of these. So I will go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how we'll go about laying this all out. So now I have all the blocks squared to 4.5 inches. Don't you love all these pretty trimmings? I am not going to save these. I know you can do crafts with them, but they are going to go into my stuffing box. And what we will do is we are going to take, these will be units of 4. So we're going to take 4 and sew them together so that the colors are facing out and your background is facing in the center. So in total, we will be making 8 blocks like this. You could also do these as a flying goose. But for these purposes and the scraps I was working with, this is how I've decided to do it. So I will go ahead and join these, and then I'll be right back. So here this one's sewn together, and the unfinished size will be 8.5 inches. So 8 of those, and now we will make 7 that are like this. So same idea, you will stitch here and there and then join them together in the center. So once I have all my blocks done, 15 in total, I'll be joining you back here to show how to lay it all out. Now that the blocks are all assembled, we're going to start piecing the rows together. Due to my blocks, I'm going to be doing 3 across and then 5 rows down. So what you're going to do is you're going to assemble 3 rows that are dark, light, and dark, and then the remaining will be the opposite, so they'll be light, dark, light. So let me go ahead and do this, and then I'll show you how it all comes together. Here is the top row joined together. So as I had said, it's a darker background than the lighter and then the darker, and the next row will be lighter, darker, lighter. I'll show you that, and then we'll just keep alternating until all the rows are sewn in place. So here the two rows are now together, and I'm going to add in series another dark, light, dark, light. So there'll be 5 rows in all. So I'll give you a quick peek once that's done and then show you how the borders will come together. So here's all the blocks pieced together. It is measuring right now approximately 24 by 40. I think what I will do is add a nice 2-inch border all the way around in a neutral gray, just to give eyes a place to rest. And then I'm probably going to add some extra blocks to the sides. Those will just be, like a piano key or something like that. I will not get that done before this video is up for viewing, so stick around and look out on my community page. I'm going to be providing an update on some of the quilts I've been finishing off, sort of like a trunk show. So until we meet again, stay safely, sew safely, and sew with Debee. Have a great day, and bye for now.